What if you only had to charge your pool vacuum once every 2 weeks and it scrubbed your floors, your walls, and your waterline with 0 cords detached? This is the iGarden K-Series pool robot, and while a 7-hour battery life and a hypercar style touchscreen sound amazing on paper, there's one major flaw with this smartphone style touchscreen and pool water that could completely ruin your experience if you don't know this one trick. And I'll reveal what that is in just 1 minute. Now, by the way, if you're somebody who loves a good unboxing, be sure to stay around till the end, because I'm going to unwrap this box and show you how it ships and what to expect, and also what setup is involved. But that's at the end of the video. And be sure to smash that subscribe so that you don't miss any of these pool gear reviews and demos just like this one. And if you're watching this over on Amazon, please give my storefront a follow. That way you'll be updated every time I post fresh pool reviews on products just like this one. The iGarden K-Series pool cleaner has up to 7 hours of floor time mode only, or 3.75 hours of full pool cleaning that includes floors, walls, and waterline. It has a suction power of up to 22,000 liters per hour in turbo mode at 200%. The coverage area is approximately 7,233 square feet, so it's great for large in-ground pools and also for above-ground pools. As far as navigation, it has a 3D S-Path navigation with adaptive torque for slopes and steps. And when we're talking control system, smartphone-grade touchscreen top display with the iGarden Robotics mobile app, which is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi friendly. It has a 4-liter mega capacity basket with a really nice dense mesh filter, ideal for taking out lots of debris on the bottom of your pool. It has a triple brushless motor, actually 2 of them, with dual active rubber scrubbing brushes and anti-slip tracks. As far as weight, this one comes in heavy at 21.6 pounds, so you're gonna have to use some muscle to heft this into the pool. And it also has smart parking, which means it's going to auto dock near the pool wall when cleaning finishes or your battery runs low. The K-Series iGarden is unrivaled for battery endurance. The AI inverter power adjustment lets users run scheduled cleans for 12 to 16 days on a single charge. When it comes to wall and waterline scrubbing, the K-Series iGarden climbs smooth vinyl, tile, and concrete walls effortlessly, thanks to high grip tracks and triple motors. And easy clean out is definitely the name of the game with this pool robot. The top loading 4-liter basket rinses clean in under 30 seconds with just a garden hose. Now, as far as deal breakers, which is really only just real world complaints, some users do experience touch screen and water glitches. Wet fingers or direct midday sun reflection can make capacitive touch screen tricky to register taps and touches. As well, underwater there tends to be some app loss where the app connects on land, but the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signal cut off once submerged, so real-time underwater tracking isn't always possible. But I will say this, when it comes to deal breakers, they are so relatively insignificant when compared to the awesome power of this pool robot. What it can do, what it can clean, and what it can climb, it is absolutely awesome to watch in motion. So we're going to run 2 tests with the iGarden K-Series. The first test we're going to do is the wall climb and waterline scrub test. Watch as I drop the robot into the pool and watch this robot climbing the walls and scrubbing away at the waterline. And what's interesting to see is that it doesn't just favor a tile waterline. I'm using it here with my above ground pool and it manages the walls with ease. Now our second test, we're picking up heavy debris and we are going to see just how much this pool robot can handle. Along the bottom of the pool here, you can see lots of debris and fine dirt, but that's nothing for the 22,000 liter per hour turbo mode that sucks it up, and it's very easy to remove. All we have to do is pop open the 4-liter basket, rinse it clear with a hose in under 30 seconds, and we are ready to go again. And if you're watching this over on Amazon, please give my storefront a follow. That way you'll be updated every time I post fresh pool reviews on products just like this one. So first of all, the touchscreen display. Well, if your hands are dripping wet or water pools on top of the screen, capacitive touch can take a second attempt to register. Pro tip, wipe your screen with a dry towel or use the iGarden app on land before dropping it into the pool. I also find that a lighter touch works better than a firm touch, so just barely brush the surface and that seems to work every time. Now second, remember that Bluetooth signals don't travel through deep water. So set your cycles on the surface, but once it's submerged, it's basically going to rely entirely on internal AI sensors. And now for those of you who love a good unboxing, here's what came in the box. The iGarden K-Series unit, a heavy-duty power adapter for charging, user manuals, and the universal pool pole retrieval hook. Bottom line, if you want true hands-free maintenance of your pool with a pool robot that has a battery life that lets you run it multiple days in a row without having to charge it, so basically set it and forget it for days, the iGarden K-Series here is a serious contender. Check it out in my link in the description below for the best current pricing online. And be sure to smash that subscribe so that you don't miss any of these pool gear reviews and demos just like this one. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.